job working him around. Woo! That's good, boys. I ain't never seen anybody guide gators like Tater Ridge TV.
Son, that man can do it. From carp fishing to gator hunting.
Yeah, man.
Gator season 2025 we just put in. Patton's already out there hooked up. It's the second day of the season, and we're about to go out here and get us a lizard, son.
Go over and look at him.
He looks like small. I don't think he's big.
Tripp, get up high. Oh, Jason's forward. We're gonna lose him. Go back. There you go. Oh, stop. Get on. Hit him in the back. Hit him in the back. No, Tripp, you hit him. Hit him. Go ahead, Tripp. Hit him. Get up. Whoop, whoop. Right here. Go down and boom. Good gator.
Got him.
Good job. Woo! Yeah! All right, let's get him back. Get the gaff. Yep. Somebody get on this pole right here. Oh, he's bleeding. Oh, no. Sure? Pop him, get right. Eat that.
All right, boys, there's one.
Keep going. Come on, back up here.
Son, he came up, popped him with a bang stick, didn't finish the job, and I popped him with a pistol. Now, there's gator in the boat.
Boys?
Do you need the trolling motor? Pissed him off.
Move. Throw him up. Oh, neutral.
Scared him.
Hey, we got a, he's got us on the stump right here. He's right here beside the stump. Light him up right here with some, gotta get him around the stump, boys. Jason, go forward. Straight. You guys wrapped. Hold on. Reverse.
He's right here. Oh, that's a nice guy.
No, do not hoss him. Get him in the belly right here. Come on. Harpoon him. Now. Yeah. Nope.
Just go through.
Here, and bring him back again. Get him.
Badly.
Do not fight. Do not get on that line. Just take it easy. Harpoon him as soon as you can, anywhere you can.
Here, let me come over you, Jason.
Right stop.
Jason, go underneath me.
Go right. Stop. Go back. Reverse. Bringing him up.
Get him, Jason.
Nope. You're going to have to drive it through him.
That's what I'm trying
I know. Here, right there. There it is.
Get him.
All right, there, get him.
Did you get
Throw that harpoon over. Probably that. Where's the harpoon? Where's the line?
Buoy's that line.
It's that line right there. All right.
Whew, my back.
Pull this pin right here. No, it's not it.
Whoa.
Slow down.
He's got plenty of time. He ain't going. Eli, point right back of his head from right here and shoot.
2 hands on that.
Grab this. Throw it now.
Just toss it in the bottom.
Now,
I'm gonna bring him to top.
Look, it's probably already. Is
there's one.
Safety off.
Yep. You just pull.
Now look, get closer.
I got it. No, get closer.
Ready? Right there?
Yep. Good job. That gator. Woo! Come on. Woo! Now you got another one in this. Here. Secure that gun.
Gotcha.
Got it.
Shoot again, Jason. Give it to Eli. Give it to Eli.
Do the same thing again. You ain't no hurry.
Is there one in already?
Yes.
I need to cock it
Yeah,
out.
no, there's one in. Don't touch the trigger.
It's going to load itself. 2 hands.
Now put it 2 hands. Put it right on his head.
No, shoot him right there. Shoot him. Now. All right. He's dead.
Attaboy.
Woo! Got a boy. All right.
Money.
Folded alligator.
Woo! Boys, we tagged out.
Take that. No, there's one in it. Take the slide and slide it straight back. All right, gun secured. All right. All right. Now let's get him in here and not get bit.
I'm gonna put it back in the holster. Where's that?
Tripp, way to work him around that stump, son.
Good job, boys. Great.
All right.
Eli,
Tripp,
grab his tail.
hold on.
Watch, pull him in.
Hold on.
Get this stuff.
Where's that guy? I need that gaff.
It's still on. It's hooked up to the hole right there.
He ain't going nowhere. We got 3 hooks in him. And blood. He's dead. And right here, this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Tape him. Go left a little bit with your butt. Keep taping. Tape, tape, tape. That's good. Good job working him around. Woo! That's good, boys. What about it?
Damn right. Good job. Good job.
I like it. Woo! Boys, the first time we've been down here
Good job, bud.
and
Good
filled
job on
every
learning that
tag.
line.
Thank you. Hey, pass me.
Way to stick with it, guys. I know y'all tired.
Clip down there.
It's been a long 3 days.
Oh, hey Jim, I'll put
About
that knife back up in the
42
sheath.
hours in hunting, huh?
What is
I'll
he?
put
Probably
that
8?
knife back up in the
All right,
sheath.
get my magazine for the down there.
Tripp got it. Tripp got it.
Okay, that gun is unloaded, right? All right. We're gonna tell you what right now. I ain't never seen anybody guide gators like Tater Ridge TV.
Son, that man can do it. From carp fishing to gator hunting.
Yeah, man.
Tearing everything up. All right, let's get buoys in. Let's go to the hacienda.
Right there, you seen it, boys. Tater Ridge TV down here in South Georgia. We killing gators out here.